tensions in everyone.
Hello.
Go ahead.
Lagi ko pinapasa sa akin yung microphone. Ay, ipapa-over dun sa video. Okay na siya. I know I'm a trainer by profession, but at times like this, wala akong masabi masyado. I'll try my best. So, first of all, thank you for everyone for coming. So this day, April 14, 2024, is a very important day for both of us. As everyone said, it's been 10 years na kami. So we've been through a lot. From our successes, heartbreaks, and finally, we're here. It didn't go everything didn't go well when it comes to the planning, but I'm glad that everything went smoothly today. I hope that everyone got a great meal and had a great time for the past 3-4 hours. So first off, we'd like to thank you for our parents for being here, for Mami, for Daddy also. I have a lot of memories with Dad and I have so much respect for him. So that's why I didn't propose in front of him because I know that he's been looking forward to see that. So to my parents, kay Mama, kay Papa, so thank you for all your support. Regardless of where you are, whether you're in Jeddah for Mama or for Papa, whenever he's in the US, one chat away, we're there to respond all the time. For our principal sponsors, thank you as well for giving a quick yes. I know that it did take a traditional, meet up for us to meet all of the principal sponsors because of our semi-LDR setup. We're both busy. She's in Bataan, I'm in the south, so it's the peak of our season at work. So ang hirap talaga. I tried to squeeze it in, but after all of this, I hope that we'll be able to get to really meet everyone. For our entourage, thank you as well, especially to those who started picture taking on Babylon since morning. We woke up at around 6-7 a.m. Iba hindi nakatulog, but thank you for enjoying all of the pictorial, all of the videos, and I hope that after watching the same day edit, it was all worth it. Ganda ng edit. And then lastly, also for the guests, for everyone else, thank you for coming. Even for those who initially committed because of unforeseen circumstances, so to speak, are not able to make it. So still, thank you. And lastly, also for the suppliers, my goodness, if there's something that really caused us a lot of anxiousness, it's really that thought of something might go wrong. So first off, to Hizons, I hope that everyone had a great dinner. Okay ba? Ayan, so thank you Hizons for the catering. Perfect shots for our prenup, for covering the entire day. And then what else? Scale for the hair and makeup. Galaxy for the mobile bar, even if I just booked them 3 days ago. So thank you for saying yes and for being here. Our LED, everyone, to the tech team. And also we centered all of our suppliers with one team, and that is the team of our wedding coordinators, Royce and the team. So thank you so much for pulling everything together. I didn't expect that things would get this smooth today. So thank you for making everything happen. So thank you again, everyone. Talaga akong pinagsakitan mo dito. Ano ka ba, new wear class? So, ayun, so thank you again, and feel free to stay. We still have our after party. I think we still have alcohol at the back, so enjoy the rest of the night. Thank you again. And also for host Kim, thank you for leading the reception, and also for